Right, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I genuinely appreciate it. If you don't mind dropping a like, comment or subscription, that would do me a big favour. Anything I do say is not financial advice. It's just purely for entertainment purposes only. So let's have a look at the crypto market cap as a whole. Starting off, market cap is 389 billion, 24-hour trading volume of 61 billion. Bitcoin dominance sits at 38.3%, with Bitcoin still in the $16,000 range, 16.7 at the moment. It's not doing much. Some slight recovery, but yeah. Market as a whole, it's fairly stagnant at the moment. I don't think much new money is coming into the market as we go. I want to talk about VeChain again today, because that's the one that I'm lumping on at the moment. That's just my long-term hold. Price is currently 0.02 cents. It's up 3.16% on the day. $1.4 billion market cap, $58 million trading volume, and a 72.5 billion circulating supply. There keeps sorry, that's the wrong term. More and more bullish news keeps coming out for this project, which is why I'm so bullish on it. So today, this has just come out a few hours ago about another partnership. So I'll go through the article with you, but they just keep making these partnerships, and the project does have real utility, which is why I'm, so, deep on VeChain. It's like not my major holding, but it's my top three, like Bitcoin, XRP, VeChain and Cardano. But VeChain is really, that's the one I'm picking up at the moment, because it really doesn't cost a lot. I buy a few thousand every day at the moment at these prices. Anyway, so I'll go through this article. Pragmata partners with VeChain to develop technologies that can fundamentally disrupt the global economy. VeChain is running a massive advert campaign during the 2022 ATP finals and adds other side attractions. The Nitto ATP finals kicked off on November the 13th, and the kickoff signalled the start of the partnership between VeChain and top brands worldwide. Winners in the epic VFan raffle ticket will get to seek the peak of tennis talent in action. Is that incorrect there? Anyway, while VeChain community members continue to enjoy the excitement of the Nitto ATP finals, it is essential to remember that the POA 2.0 hard fork will commence on November the 17th. So that is tomorrow at 8:10 GMT. VeChain is streaming highlights from the ongoing Nitto ATP finals on its official Instagram page. So you can see in these pictures here, like there's just VeChain all around this, and this is an ATP Tour final. So it's pretty high-level marketing. Some of the highlights include insights from the VeChain CEO Sunny Liu and others not available elsewhere. One major highlight from the event's second day was the signing of Figital tennis balls, winners of the V-Bounce, by VeChain CEO and ex-tennis superstar Flavia Pennata. That was the NFT tennis balls that I mentioned the other day. Recall that the world of visual art recently hosted the digital collectible sweepstake tag V-Bounce. Meanwhile, VeChain covered one of its UFC events, the UFC 281 fight between Israel Adesanya and Alex Pereira. Hours after the event, crypto enthusiast Thomas Michele tweeted that he is excited at the future of VeChain and its impact on the world. So again, you've got VeChain, right there in the middle. Everyone watches the UFC. Look at the stadium; it's packed. So people are going to be thinking, "What is this VeChain?" So it's more and more eyes on the project, which is good for me and good for anyone invested in the project. Right. Furthermore, the VeChain CEO granted an interview during the Nitto ATP finals, sharing insights on how VeChain is tackling sustainability, a colossal challenge globally. According to Liu, there are data collection apps already collecting data such as power consumption, charging time, and gas consumption in the case of hybrid cars. The VeChain CEO said the platform plans to use this data to calculate what leads to another value, for instance, how much quality emission reduction each person can save. He added that VeChain would build case by case and ultimately digitize people's daily activities. Right, then incentivize or motivate them about their positive behaviour and action to reduce their ecological impact. Liu added that it is a powerful and self-reinforcing positive feedback mechanism for individuals and businesses. He further explained that blockchain technology is for this purpose. More details of this interview are available on VeChain's Instagram page. So if you check VeChain's Instagram page, you can read more on that. In a related development, VeChain has scored a new partnership. The POA blockchain is now the official blockchain partnership for Pragmata Institute. The San Marino-based institute will help expand VeChain's international connections. On Sunday, crypto enthusiast Renato Grottola tweeted his excitement in seeing VeChain build a trustable, digital bridge one step after another. Garotla added that in recent events have proven that trust is the scarcest resource in the blockchain space. He also said it takes time and requires passion to build such trust, and there is no shortcuts. VeChain's foundation CTO Antonio Sentore agreed with Garotla, adding that trust is not just scarce but even expensive. Nevertheless, the recent positive events surrounding the VeChain network have positively impacted VeChain's token price and is up 0.58% in the last 24 hours and currently trades at 0.198. Right, so let's go and look at my charts and see what we're saying. So it is currently up a bit further. It's at 0.02 at the moment. There was a bullish divergence, but it's worked that off now, and the momentum has gone negative. But I don't take much notice of momentum when I'm watching, regarding this, because it's got a classic pattern here actually. So you've got a lower low there. This second bar has closed. No, it's not closed above, but it did break that the high of the prior day, and then this next candle has broken the high of the previous day. So it is looks like a key reversal to me. Where and when this is going to go, I'm not really sure. And to be honest, I don't care, because at the moment we're in the depths of a bear market, and this is going to last for a long time. I'm talking, this is going to be a year. So if you've got any spare capital, this isn't financial advice, and there's a project that you like that's significantly down, then I'm going to be investing on it. I would recommend investing on it rather. So my short-term targets, I've got two targets really. Initially 0.026, that's previous resistance. And then the next one is at 0.033, which is prior resistance been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 times, going back to July. If we go out deeper to the weekly time frame, you see, so we've been here for the majority of the year around this area. But when we do eventually break out, and I'm 99.9% sure we will break out, then we're going to surpass all-time highs. This thing's going to fly. It's got so much of all the projects out there. It's got the most. The most, other than XRP, it's got the most partnerships, the most utility, and it's rock bottom price at the moment. So personally, I'm going to be continuing to invest in this. My goal is to get 1 million VeChain tokens. I'm not going to say how far off I am from that, but I'm getting there. And yeah, let's see how things go with it. I wish you all a wonderful day. Good luck with all the projects you're invested in. Any questions, drop them below. And if you could drop a like on this video, it'd really help me out. It'll get spread to a wider audience. And yeah, subscribe if you'd like to. Once again, I wish you a wonderful day, and thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.